Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 5a and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, and basically all we have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation mode you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the gestures, just like me, and then I'll show you later on how to do it. Let me firstly explain what to do if you've got the 3-button navigation. All you have to do is to simply tap on the button with the square icon or 3 bars icon, but I'm pretty sure that it is a square icon, and thanks to that you will enter the recents. And if you've got the gestures, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up from the bottom to the center and do it kind of slowly, just like that. And after releasing the finger, you can see that here we've got all previously opened apps. And basically all you have to do in order to close one of it, for example, you have to find it and swipe it up. But if you'd like to close all of them, just go to the very left to find clear all. After tapping on it, we will be transferred to the home page, so we can enter the recents to check. And as you can see, we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background tabs. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your Google Pixel 5a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.